We take a lot of photos every single day, and there are so many photos on the internet. I mean, everywhere you go, there's a photo, a picture, or an image of some sort. But did you know that you could get some money from images? If you're interested in this method, just make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so I explain to you what you need to do. Now just subscribe to the AD Money channel as well. It's free to subscribe, and click on that bell icon, that is the notification bell, to receive notifications every time I upload my new videos. Now this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. If you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, you can all get access to this opportunity, and it is free. So what you want to do is you want to go onto Google. So when you're on Google, you want to search for a certain image, maybe an image of the ocean, just a beautiful image. The ocean, mountains, the beach, the sea, sunset, birds, animals, anything that you find beautiful. So for example, in my case over here, I'm going to do, for example, mountains. So I'm going to search for images on mountains. So I want to click over here where it says images, so you can show me all the beautiful images of mountains. So there are so many images over here. I can choose any image that I find that is beautiful and I believe that people would actually like to view and find it interesting. So now, one mistake that people will do as a beginner is that they're just going to randomly choose any image that they find, which is a big mistake, because all these images you see, they actually belong to people. So if you want to use these images and just try to make money from them, you could get copyright issues. So you want to make sure that everything is legal and you're able to make money genuinely. So what you want to do is you want to click on this button over here where it says tools. So when you click on tools, you want to see over here usage rights. When you click on usage rights, you want to make sure you click on Creative Commons license. It will first be on all, then you want to make sure that you click over here where it says Creative Commons licenses. So you want to click on that. Okay, so now it's going to give you all the images that you can actually use for your own gain, which means that you can make money from these images. You can do whatever you want with these images. So if you don't do that, you're going to have big problems in the future, because you're actually taking people's images and they're going to file a copyright claim on you, and you just don't want to do that mistake. So make sure you click on Creative Commons licenses over here, and now you would like to find a nice image that you find very beautiful, which you think that people would actually like and would be interested to look at. So for example, I see this image over here. So once I found my image, of course, I would like to just save the image onto my computer. So you just want to save the image onto your computer, and basically that's about it. The next step you want to do is you want to go onto a website called clickasnap.com. Now clickasnap.com, as you can see here, it says it's the world's largest free to use paid per view image sharing platform. So basically you get paid for every time people view your image. So people don't have to download your image. No, they just need to view your image and you get paid. It's very simple. So if we scroll down over here, you'll see over here top contributors. Over here you'll see, for example, this person has uploaded 532 images and he's already gotten more than 100,000 views, and he's making a lot of money. He's made about $15,000 for just uploading images, and he's gotten so many views from people. It's a really great way to make money, because people would always like to click on your image. They just want to click on your image to see how it looks, and you get paid for that, which is really, really wonderful. Now let me show you something. Over here, this is how much you're going to get paid. You get paid per photo view. So you're going to get paid 25 cents per view. Okay, so every time somebody views your photo, you get paid 25 cents. So you can make a lot of money if 1,000 people view your photo. or 2,000 or 3,000 people view your photo, you can do the calculation and see that it's a lot of money to be made from just one photo. And you can upload more and more photos, more and more photos, more and more photos, more and more images that you find. So if you want to take personal photos with your camera and you want to do that, you can also upload those as well. The reason I showed you this method over here is because it's very easy, and there's so many beautiful photos that you can actually find on the internet, and you can actually make money from them, which is the way that I would like to go. I like to go this method because I'm not really good with photography, and a lot of people I know out there, they're not really good at taking photos. So they can just use the method on Google and find some really nice photos that they can use. So yeah, that is that. Now what you'll do is that you'll see over here there are 3 steps. Upload your photos, which is using our easy to use upload system. So it's basically you upload your photos and then users view your photos and then you get paid. Now over here it says that the minimum payout is $15. So once you've made $15, you can request a payout and withdraw your money. So you need to have a minimum of $15 in order to withdraw your money. So it's very, very cool. It's very easy to do, and a lot of people are using this, and it's just easy to do, and I love it. So if you're interested in this, what you'll need to do is you want to create an account. Just click on sign up over here. So when you click on sign up, you want to put in your email address, put in your username, your password, then confirm your password. Then you can click on the terms and conditions and read through it. If you are happy, then you want to click on this box over here. Then you want to click on create an account. Now you can also choose to sign in with your Facebook account or your Gmail account or your Twitter account. It's all up to you. So now that you have your account, it would look something like this over here. So once you have your account, basically you want to click over here on this button where it says upload. So when you click on upload, this is where you would select the photo that you have downloaded, maybe from the internet, or maybe it's your own personal photo. So you just want to click on select photos and then upload your photo over here. Now one thing you need to check very well over here is that you have 7 uploads per week, which means that this is not a place where you can just be uploading, just randomly uploading photos, uploading 3,000 photos a day, that kind of stuff. No, you have 7 uploads per week. So it is to show you that it is a genuine website and a very professional platform where you need to choose your photos, the images carefully, and you only have 7 per week. So which means that every day you can upload 1, every day you upload 1, or you can be that person who would like to upload 7 in one day and then wait till the next week and then repeat the same process. But what I would advise you to do is every single day upload 1 image, every single day upload 1 image, because you only have access to 7 uploads per week. So, and of course no nudity in the photos, no violence, no drugs. Of course you want to stick to reasonable photos. For example, photos like these over here, just simple photos that people have uploaded. So if we click on recent over here, it should give us, okay, let's click on view all over here so that we can see, okay, these are the recent photos, the recent images. So let's see the types of images that people are actually posting over here, so that you can actually get a feel of the types of images that people are actually making money from. So things like this, you see things like this, it's just interesting, it's really cool, and just every time people view, they get 25 cents. So for example, if I just view 1 image, the person who uploaded this image is going to make 25 is going to make 25 cents immediately. And that's the beauty about it, because you get paid just for views. So it's really, really great. So that's about it. Now, what you can also do over here is you want to click on the marketplace. If you want to actually sell your own photos, it's not about getting money for the views, but now you actually want to sell your photos, you can actually do that. All you want to do is you want to click on the marketplace, and when you're on the marketplace, you would just like to find the category of your photo that you would like to sell, and then just upload your photo and start making money. You can sell your photos for the price that you would like to sell your photos for. So it's just another method. If you just don't want to rely on, you know, the views of getting 25 cents per view for the photo, you can actually sell your photos for the price that you would like to sell your photos for. So it's up to you if you're interested in this method as well. It's also a great way to make money, but what I would suggest you for now is just to use the simple method, which is just uploading your images over here, and let people view your images one after the other, so that you can build an amount of photos. Just build a platform so that you can at least get to about 50 photos, 100 photos, so that people can actually get a feel of the kinds of photos that you upload. And the more photos you have, the more people can actually view different photos, and you can make more money for yourself. So this is what I wanted to show you. It's really, really easy to do, very simple. You can decide to choose different images. Maybe you want to get an image of a sunset. You can decide to find one that is really nice, a sunset, or maybe just a dog, anything, as you can see over here. But all you need to make sure you do is this needs to be on Creative Commons licenses, so that you can actually use this and make money to avoid future copyright claims on you. So that is basically what I would like to show you. It's absolutely easy to do. It's free. It's just great, and try it out for yourself. Comment down below how everything works for you. If there's something you don't understand, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching, and please do me a favor, subscribe to the AD Money channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button and click on that bell icon as well, so that you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.